Hi, we're Destiny and Elizabeth, and if you're new here, we're a married lesbian couple who lives and travels in our van full-time with our 2 dogs, Coffee and Chai.
In 2022, we set out on the road to follow our dream and travel the country. Our goal is to see all 50 states in our self-converted van, and we have now been on the road for 2 years.
We love to share our life on the road and our amazing adventures we get to experience.
We hope our videos inspire you to travel more and help you plan out your next adventure. See you on the road!
Good morning, happy Vlogmas day 2. Today I'm getting a little bit more of the hang of it, not fully, but I will be prepared. We are gonna go, the morning has been a little hectic for me. Don't mind my sister's jumpy dog, he's so cute. I'll have to show you guys him in a bit, but I'm rushing to go to the gym, so we're gonna go get a workout in. Let's go.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah,
Hello. Okay, I haven't really picked up the camera today, just trying to take a few snippets, but I'm working and it is extremely busy. I'm only able to say this to you on my break right now because we work for customer service. We answer phones, emails, chats, and it is so busy today. Like I can barely breathe. We got 2 more packages, so let's actually see what they are because I don't know. I mean, I do. So this one, scissors, box cutter. I'm gonna go for the pen. There we go. I'm excited. Oh yeah, okay, see, these might be too light for me. I'm not too sure. I'll have to try them on, but they are the like viral fleece ones, so it's super soft. I'll try these on right now and see how we like them. And then I think this is, oh yeah, nice, cute. I got hand sanitizers, the ones that are like all over everywhere and that everyone loves. They're like $10 a piece, and I'm like, Jesus, not that this wasn't anything else. So it came with a pack of 3. I've never heard of this brand before, but a pack of 3 for 20 bucks, 10 bucks. But it's still like the handheld little, you know, we're gonna be on planes and transportation, public transportation, and just all about. Ooh, it's so cute. I like it. So we just, little spray, and it smells like eucalyptus, so, and it's hydrating. This is really cute. Hopefully it has a lot. The other ones seemed like they might be a little bit bigger, but I got one for me, one for Destiny, and then one just back up. So excited for that. Put the one in here. Okay, so these are the things I bought, but we're gonna put them on with the skirt because now they look a little too light. Also, don't mind this outfit that I'm putting it on with. It's kind of hilarious. Very festive. But, yeah, no. It's like way too light for me. But this... So these were the ones I originally bought. And these are too dark. Like you can, I just look really orange, what they said, but I did say that I wanted to try them in the dark. Okay, so let me, in the dark, in the light, because I tried them at nighttime. Yeah, this looks not like this light. Try on these ones, because these are the really brown ones that are bronze, and yeah, let's try these on. Okay, I had to get a little bit more like, I just looked a little bit of a mess, so I didn't like any of it. But I tried on these ones. Okay, honestly, I think I like these ones better, the original ones. And I think it was just in the lighting. I didn't do it in daylight, and I did it at nighttime, kitchen lighting. And yeah, it was like fluorescent, not fluorescent, it's just like different lighting. So I'm using actual light, kind of. But I think these will work. So Destiny got herself 2 new pair of these. Like, not too bad, but when I first wore them, my sister was like, maybe, kind of. And then these ones, and I went and showed her, she laughed at me. So these are a no for me, that's for sure. But Okay, now let's unbox those two. I just kind of like need to get things together, like old stuff, new stuff, and kind of just all the stuff. Now I feel kind of cute. I like this dress. By the way, I don't think, did I show this? Yeah, I did show this dress. Did I? I'm not sure. But I bought this dress at Old Navy and excited to wear this. So, yeah, let's just clean up a bit because it's a mess now. We have the bed in complete disarray. Yeah. All right.
So I definitely thought the mic was on and that I was talking to you guys, just letting you know that I made myself a coffee so that I can have a little pick-me-up and really clean the room because I was getting a little tired. I said a whole bunch more, but I don't remember because the mic was off for quite some time.
Alright, so, my hair looks a little wild. I have been cleaning up the bed. I went through some stuff. We are going to be gone for literally 2 weeks. So if you watched yesterday's vlog, if you didn't, I did a whole unboxing. You can go see like a lot of the new things. And I am going to do a packing vlog. I'm just kind of like organizing before we pack and make sure we have things. We ended up buying an air tag because we're probably going to take this pink suitcase that you keep seeing me like wheel around. It's just been in the way, but we brought it just in case. So we were gonna try and fit it in the backpacks that you saw and in here, which I think we could, but I just want to have absolutely everything, like everything clean and stuff. So I think we might do a full, tomorrow we're pretty busy. I think we might do a full packing on Wednesday, like a full day maybe, or Thursday. I'm not too sure, but I think we need to take a day off. Like it's just, work was extremely busy, and if it's at the rate that it was today, that was just like, there's no way we can do anything else. But yeah, today was just like a cleaning day. The start to Vlogmas is rough. It's just me cleaning and unpacking, and I'm sorry if it's boring, but that's reality right now. And I promise you, it'll be worth it because what we're packing for is the most festive place ever. So you'll be so excited.